हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप लोग बहुत ही अच्छे हो, ठीक हो। अगर नहीं हो, आई विश आपका सारा प्रॉब्लम्स दूर हो जाए। एंड थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियोस, थैंक यू फॉर शोइंग ऑल द लव। And yeah, that's it. Today, going to talk about why do we fail while learning guitar. It's an important topic. Everyone starts learning, and everyone at some point of time they stop learning guitar. So today it's something serious topic. So I want you to little focus on this. If you have stuck while learning guitar and you want some kind of motivation, yeah. So I will go through the reasons why do we fail in guitar. Basically, most of us learn guitar because they feel it's cool. They feel like ये तो swag है, swag. They feel it's a swag. Like मैं गिटार बजाऊंगा, स्वैग मारूंगा, लड़की पटाऊंगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है। आपको कुछ करना है लाइफ में तो आपको फोकस करना होगा। ये गिटार एक आर्ट है, इसको टाइम देना होता है। Basically, okay, either we'll talk about in English or in Hindi. I'll combine both because I guess Hindi and English both people are there. So just remove that thought. It's just because it looks cool. If someone is playing guitar, you just pick one guitar and wanna play. It doesn't work like that. You need to set a mindset. So yeah, first thing is that, and basically when you were given initial practice workouts, which I'll give an example: stretching workouts, finger movements, which are very frustrating. Honestly, it was frustrating to me. It was frustrating to each and every guitar player who already learned something or already in a particular stage. These are called as movement or stretching. So, like, this is a good speed. Or initially, when you learn, this will be, your fingers will not move that much. Your fingers will be like one. You will look right on the strings. Then you will struggle to move your second finger, two, then third finger, then again four. So this will be like this slow. So it is kind of frustrating. That's one of the reason. And third point, I did literally like don't like why people are doing this. I'm not like complaining you who are learning. I'm complaining on the people who are teaching. They are organizing summer camps. Like really, 2 महीने में गिटार सीख जाओगे? आप ही बताओ. You want to learn guitar or it's an art. You want to learn sports, cricket. Suppose cricket है, आप 2 महीने सीख जाओगे? 2 महीने में सचिन बन गए? It is like that, yes. नहीं होता है ऐसे. तो like you have to give it a time. People lose patience. One more point. Yeah. Yeah. So what happens in summer camps is they will tell you the finger movement exercise for 1 or 2 days, and then they will directly dive into the chords, which will be 2 to 3 chords. They will teach you one song in 3 months. You will not master that song, that's true. But what will happen? You will learn one song, and that's it. That's it. Like, who will teach you the other chords, other music theory? Who's going to teach you that? So like there are benefits, quite a lot of benefits if you learn all this music theory, music practical, like when you're playing. Once you're playing, there are a lot of benefits when you go to step by step. But a big note to summer camps and crash course. Please, I want you to avoid as well. Yeah. So what happens? Like if I'm teaching to anyone, I ask them my first question. I actually ask some psychological questions. My first question would be, what what motivates you to learn guitar, and what if you fail like in a particular stage, what is the spark, what is the reason that will like keep you motivated all the time? You just need motivation. That's it. Oh, I'll tell you a story. What happened with me? I was learning with my teacher, and like I was like intermediate level. I am right now at intermediate plus. I would say I was at intermediate level. I went to him, and I could play some solos. You know riffs if you know, or if you don't know. I could play some solos. I played Hotel California. It was not that great to that level, or and nothing else matter, and some other riffs from Slash. I went to him and asked, I want to learn. He said, I cannot teach you anything. He's a teacher. And he said, you know everything, you just need motivation. That gave me a goosebumps. That's true that you need a mentor. You need a mentor for learning guitar, for whatever things if you want to achieve, you need a mentor. And you have to accept that fact. No ego, no hard things. Take it at a positive way. So, one more reason. As a beginner, what happens? Your skins are very soft. Your muscles are very soft in this location. Fingertips, I mean. So, what happened? When you press it, you don't get the right sound. So, you have to, for a beginner, you have to press little harder. So what happens? You get. I'll just show you how. So you get a finger mark, like little pain you will get. So you will have to go through some pain in the finger, and your finger will not move. Pain, frustration. I have heard stories where there was bleeding from the tip. That is like extreme case, but I think you have to bear that. Like if you are bleeding, if it is paining much, what you can do? You can simply just keep the guitar aside, take a break for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and then play again. Who is stopping you? Like, no, it's paining, I cannot learn. Ouch. नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता है. So there is one more thing: lack of dedication, lack of interest. Yeah, and this one saying, if you are aware, I don't know the exact quote, but Usain Bolt said it took him 4 years to master or to do 100 meter sprint in 8 point some seconds, whereas people, they train for 2 months and they expect that same 8 seconds in 8 seconds for 100 meters. How can you expect that? Usain Bolt. And that is fact. You cannot expect results very soon. So you need to wait, you need to keep practicing. This is an art. Art is something takes time. You need to understand that. Some people are extraordinary, some people learn very fast. Those cases are different. But it's an art. You need to give it some time. You need to play continuously. And you must have heard that like hard work pays off. Yeah. So like the way of learning matters actually. Suppose like you have been playing something from like 3-4 years and you have been playing it wrong, and there was no one to tell you that no, you were playing it wrong. If you go, or not wrong exactly, if you go look into this direction, keep your fingers in this direction, it will be much better. The one example which happened with me as well, alternate picking. If you ever heard about alternate picking, is one time you have to do it down and one time you have to pick it up. One down pick, up pick. This is called as alternate picking. So I think for 3 to 4 years I was doing only down down for every strings when while doing the finger movements. When I like when someone my teacher said you like I have been to many teachers. My teacher said you were doing it wrong. That's something like when I tried alternate picking, like from 100 metronome, I reached to 240 metronome. Like that's huge. So that was drastic improvement I had, and yeah, these are all the points why we fail in guitar, and sometimes ego comes up. Like you have to keep all those things aside and move on. Some things will take some time. Some like some parts of guitar or some exercises will take some time, but don't give up. Give it time. Slowly you will get it. I wish everyone success. If you really want to learn guitar, you will definitely learn. And I'm going to make another video why how we can stay motivated by like while learning guitar. Thanks for watching this video. Love you all.